Sprays, solutions, powders, oils, gels, navigating household cleaning products can feel like a landmine of potentially toxic chemicals. But you can actually sanitize your home and prevent bacteria and allergens without any chemicals at all. You just need a steam cleaner. Finding the perfect steam cleaners can be overwhelming with so many options available, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best steam cleaners from trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now, let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. Per Steam Steam Mop. For less than half the cost of the Neat and other steam cleaners on this list, you can snag the Per Steam Steam Mop. This jack-of-all-trades has a pop-out handheld steamer, so you can use it as a mop for floors and tackle small areas. 2. It heats water to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, making it an efficient sanitizer for countertops and other surfaces. You'll need to be efficient when cleaning, however, because the tank is smaller than most. When tested in a small home, one tank of water lasted on various jobs for about an hour. Plus, the entire mop unit folds in half, and no other steam mops or ones we tested do that, so it's, by far, the best option for apartments and small space storage. For performance, we were surprised by how well the mop head cut through soy sauce on just one pass. For 4 pounds, it packs a lot of power. However, it's incredibly loud. The little metal ball in the pressurized tank rattles the entire time while in use, so it's not the best option if you have anyone with sound sensitivities in your house. Number 2. McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. This heavy-duty canister is bulky and heavy but gets the job done. It's the largest mop head we tested, and it tackles floors in a flash. If you've got a big garage or basement flooring to sanitize, it won't take too many passes. For performance, it cut through soy sauce like nothing. The metal brushes were the best at oven and grill plate cleaning. Honestly, this is too much power and too much water than the average house would need. At more than 60 ounces, this unit can create steam for 2 hours straight, which is way more than you'd need for even the most thorough kitchen and bathroom deep cleans. If you're tackling old tile grout for the first time or tackling a grill that needs some major TLC, this steam cleaner will last through longer, tedious jobs. Some of the plastic attachments get hot while in use compared to other machines we tested. So, if you're switching brushes while the steamer is on, be very careful. Number 3. Bissell Power Steamer Heavy Mop Cleaner. If you're used to the maneuverability of Dysons and Swiffers, you'll love this steamer from Bissell. The handheld machine pops into a telescope wand with a mop head, and the handle and trigger are positioned similarly to other stick appliances. The larger mop head and longer cord make this the perfect steam cleaner for large rooms and big cleaning jobs. Even better, it's the only machine we tested that comes with a wall mount for easy storage. For performance, we were floored. The Super Plush mop pads feature special lines of a more coarse woven fabric which Bissell claimed were hard on tough stains. And it was like magic on the soy sauce test. The mop cut through that spill in one pass like a paper towel commercial demo. And no other machine whips around floors as easily. For wall tile and tubs, it was a beast on grout. It basically pressure washed the grout lines, and I learned that perhaps the pink stuff doesn't clean as well as TikTok told me it did. If you're shopping for a steam cleaner for mostly flooring and tiling, this is the best steam cleaner for those kinds of jobs. The water tank is smaller compared to other heavy-duty models, but it lasted for more than an hour on high heat going from various rooms and jobs. Number 4. Bissell Revolution Hydro Steam Carpet Cleaner. First things first, this is not a steam cleaner. It's a wet vacuum with high heat steam, so you can't sanitize surfaces with this machine. It's also incredibly heavy, expensive, and its only job is carpet. But it does carpet really well. This was the only machine that made any difference in the coffee stain test. With just water alone, I was impressed with the amount of stain it took out and the amount of coffee liquid sucked into the tank. This stain section was actually the last row I poured coffee on, and it was the end of my pitcher of coffee, so there were even some coffee grounds in the spill. The vacuum sucked those right up. I did test again using the included shampoo, and it definitely took another layer of brown stain out of the rug with a couple of passes, though it didn't remove the stain entirely. However, for other rug stains and debris, it was completely capable. When tested on a ruggable rug in a high-traffic area, it tackled paw dirt and general debris with ease. And the dirty water tank is highly satisfying and horrifying to watch as it sucks up all kinds of gunk embedded in fibers. 2 samples of Bissell's carpet shampoo and pet odor shampoo are included with the machine, and they smell amazing. It's a subtle citrus scent that isn't overpowering for larger rugs and honestly smells like a fancy hotel lobby. Number 5. Black Plus Decker 7 in 1 Steam Mop. If you're ready to ditch the chemical wet pads and the cost to buy refills, say hello to this Black Plus Decker Steam Mop. Beyond traditional mopping, what makes this steamer stand out is the bevy of attachments and accessories, including the steam glove. Yes, really. It's a glove that's attached to the steam cleaner's hose for total maneuverability and cleaning control. If you've got a bathroom with hard-to-reach areas or prefer more control while cleaning countertops, this glove offers an option most steam cleaners don't. I was skeptical of keeping my skin that close to burning hot steam, but it really works. If you're trying to cut down on sprays and paper towels, this tool is the next best thing. I actually preferred this hand mop for cleaning glass windows and doors as opposed to the squeegee attachments on other machines. The water tank is fairly small, but it does heat up in under a minute, so this is definitely the best steam cleaner for quick kitchen cleanups and surprise spills. And what makes this cleaner the best steam mop as opposed to other steam cleaners with wands and mop heads is the continuous steam. Because it's designed for mopping first, there's no trigger to hold down so your hand doesn't cramp for larger jobs. While it does feature lower temperature settings for vinyl and stone, we still wouldn't recommend using this on vinyl flooring or any kind of peel-and-stick countertops or backsplash. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.